Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Pelcro Plain and Simple. We are taking you to the next level in this Pelcro journey. Today, you get to unleash your inner techie because we're going to show you how to integrate Pelcro onto your website. It'll be easy breezy. So what you want to do is open your website backend, and the Pelcro dashboard. Pretty simple so far, right? On the Pelcro dashboard, you're going to click on Settings in the bottom left corner. This is where you'll find all the account information. Click on Integrations and copy the script you see in front of you. Then you're going to head to your website backend and click on Pages. Click on whichever page you want to add the script to. We're going to click on the home page. Then you will see an option that says Insert Script to Head. Paste the copied script into the text box and click on Update. You'll then want to add the subscribe and login buttons, which can be done by adding a custom HTML and copying out and pasting the script from the platform. First, let's start with the subscribe button. Before we begin, click on Screen Options and make sure CSS Classes is enabled. Then what we're going to do is head to Custom Links and add the URL we want our users to be redirected to and the link text. We're also going to fill in the CSS class, which can be found under the original script in the Pelcro settings page. We're also going to do the same process for the login button. Don't forget to save your menu changes. Then refresh your website, and boom, you've officially integrated with Pelcro. If you can't find the box or want to add the button to all of your site pages, please note that you need to install a header and footer plugin. If you're not operating on a WordPress site, then please add the script into the header area. Quick, easy, and a new piece of information to add to your Rolodex.